Hello everyone, welcome to our Saturday stream, and today we will straight go into the TA, technical analysis, and everyone will see what is going to happen next 24 hours. And this is going to be exactly the blueprint that you can follow for the next 24 hours, and we will take the Ethereum and Bitcoin and some other altcoins that I'm eyeing on. So let's get into it. So right now we are looking at the Bitcoin and Ethereum prices are pretty much there, stayed the same position. The price is going sideways, and which means there gonna be some type of huge movement is coming on. And because this kind of formation wouldn't take long to burst out, either go up or either go down. No matter what, we will take the exact right position so that we can make the profit in this market. So let's get into before we get into the TA, technical analysis, let's see what is going on the DeFi market. As we can see, the Lido and MakerDAO curve are getting ridiculously amount of increase in exposure to the retail market, especially the big hedge funds. Investors are heavily involved with staking. The staking markets are on top of Ethereum, and Ethereum as well as other side chains. As we know, those side chains are displayed on the L2 beats, which is Arbitrum, Optimism, DYDX, Metix, Andromeda, Loopring, ImmutableX, ZK Sync, and ZK Space, Sorare, Reunify, ApeX. Those are the side chains are increasing a huge amount of exposure in this bear or in this bull market. So let's get into the TA right now. So as we see it, the Bitcoin price exactly moving down forward as we described yesterday. Whoever took this position yesterday with us, we took it from this side, which is exactly around the 23,600 levels, and the price is declining downwards, and it has broken down, and we are seeing the retest. Retest has claimed, and after the retest, it is actually going down. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride this along steady downwards so that we can see exactly where it's gonna be landed. So let's see the 4-hour chart. This is what I described yesterday. So as you can see it, if you finish watching this video, if you go into the yesterday's video, I have described exactly this setup, which is the rising edge on top of Bitcoin. And this has formed for quite a bit, for a couple days, like 2 or 3 days. And we have eyed on very, very detailed, and now we know it is actually going down exactly as we described. And our next target is, as we said, there's 20,822 level, and as we see it, there's a shoulder, head, and shoulder, which is the classic formation on the downtrend. And after 20,000, if we steadily form the sidelines, which is the sideways of trading, and this will form a consolidation around a couple days. So we have to be very careful and patient on that. And when we see it, this is going to be the also very good trade. Like if you analyze this formation, which is exactly the top and the bottom, then you can sell it at the top and you can buy it at the bottom. So this is very simple and easy peasy setup. So as you can see, Bitcoin is forming this kind of formation, and we're going to see it every single day on our YouTube channel. So make sure you guys subscribe and follow us on Twitter and hit the bell button. Make sure you guys hit the like button as well. So right now we know what is going to happen with the Bitcoin. Let's go into the BNB. So the BNB is exactly the same, but it has some struggles to it. And it's a new formation on the chart. We are looking at this clear pattern forming alongside with the $329, and this is another sign of a trading pattern. So as we see it in here, we are looking at another rising wedge pattern in here. So when the rising wedge pattern becomes very, very volatile, it can go down very fast. So when it goes down and hits here, and it will probably go alongside a little bit and then broke down, slowly it will broke down, and then it will go down significantly. So whoever is with us can catch this trade, and this trade can be shown a very blueprint how you should play out with the BNB. So the BNB is forming a very nice rising wedge, and this is a clear sign the price, not just the Bitcoin, also BNB side chains is also declining as well, because I think there's enough exposure. The buying power has finished, and now we are going to see some sell positions taking its place. I think there are a lot of sell positions around this level, which is around 330, 320 level, and I think this level clearly shows a weak position on the bull run. So when the bull run becomes weak and the chart patterns shows a strong position on the selling side, then we will see it is clearly the bear market has arrived. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe 1 or 2 days it will bearish sign shows and then downwards going down, and I don't know, maybe after 2 or 3 days the price will start to pick it up again. But when we trade, we know exactly where we should stand on. I think at this point everything is clear that this price line is very strong in here. So as we can see it, this has been broken up quite a while, and it hasn't confirmed yet. So when it did broke up, and then it broke up and it never retested, and it clearly shows that I think the price might go down and it will fill this gap. Probably the CME gap is around there. So the bull run for the last couple weeks has given its position to allow the BNB price to not close its CME gaps. So I think pretty much the CME gap will probably close down, and I think there are going to be a huge selling positions at this level, 330 level. So make sure you guys follow this as well. Let's go into the Ethereum. Ethereum market is showing very, very strong positions at this time, and it's not a simple kind of like a you all know that it's not a very simple kind of a rising wedge kind of pattern, but it's clearly a different one, and I can show you on the TA exactly what is going on with the Ethereum. So at this point, we all can see that Ethereum price has elevated into the different levels. So this is going to be the couple different layers of a trading pattern, and as we can see it, there are going to be a huge upside could be happening on the Ethereum. So when it happens, the price will most likely to explode. So when we see it, this is a very, very clear pattern as well. So in here, the Ethereum price has reached this position at 1600, and then now it's down towards 1650, and 1670 is become a kind of like a top pattern in here. But we also need to see that when it happens, we all need to be very, very careful. So this is the pattern that they have broken above, and I think this might possibly try to fill up this gap as well. So the part is, so pretty much we might see the part filled up in here, or we might see the part filled up in here. So there can be a two position that we can take in order to prevent or taking a profit position executed at the right time. Then I think clearly what we can see is the price has been elevated quite a while, and this has been elevated above this level, which is the level at 1660 level. So 1664 level, which is now showing the clear decline inside, as well as we all know that Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, all of the other side chains and the bigger blockchain producers, they are connected very together. Why they are connected together? Because one of the biggest reasons they connected is this is the L2 value locked. This is the position that L2 value locked, and at the same time DeFi is becoming more and more fully decentralized, and at the same time different chains, they are connected. Interoperability, that is the big name. Interoperability, like all understand what the famous one we all know, Polkadot is trying to achieve. This is the interoperability, that the bigger chain. But as we all know that most of the DeFi platforms are starting to discover this new method of coding, so that every individual blockchain, every individual L2 layers, they can communicate with each other because of the Zk rollup, optimistic rollup. As you can see, there's all kinds of optimistic rollup, and the Zk rollup. All of them becomes built on top of Ethereum. Ethereum 2.0 becomes make it available, that interoperability, so that all of the blockchains and Bitcoin and Ethereum and sidechains and altcoins, they all connected. When the Bitcoin goes down, everything is going to go down. When Ethereum go down, everything will follow. So right now we are looking at Ethereum. Ethereum is going down. Let's see one of the biggest altcoins, which is Gala. Gala is also showing a very big weak sign in this level. We have seen that it has this level is becoming more stronger than anything, because we all know that this is the floor level. The floor side has been issued far before than long time ago. The floor price is around the 0.2 cents, but it is trading around 0.5 cents, which is more than it doubled its price. Even if it's doubled its price, it still holds its value in here. At the same time, we all need to see that this is the level that we all need to see and understand. Okay, this is the level we all need to see and understand. This is the pattern here, and here, and here. This is a trend line. So support and resistance levels are very strong in here, and as we have seen it with the Gala before, the previous price reactions on the bull run. Now I do believe that the bull run still exists, and they're gonna be a short time of dumping positions. So we all need to be very careful on that. So we need to know that as soon as Gala started developing the bullish sign in here, we all entered the position around the 0.1 cent. Ever since then, it has more than 5x its price, and now it's holding its position into the bigger levels. But we all need to see, this is a small time frame. This is a 2-hour time frame. When we see it in the 1 hour, 1 day time frame, it is actually very small growth. So this growth might be able to bring a bigger picture that everyone is waiting for. And I think Gala can be reached at the top of 0.27 cents, which is more than 6 or 7x, more than 10x price of this level. So when we see it, the red line, which is 125 days of moving average, and this is also shows that clear sign the price is most likely to go down and retest at this level, which is around this level, around 0.04 level, which is we all need to see that when the price comes here and the the moving average goes up, and these two will most likely to meet around in here. So we'll see. So the price will decline till around I don't know, maybe like 25% decrease within next 24 or 48 hours. So we have to be very careful when we are looking at trading and buying on the spot positions. You can also set up a limit price option on buying, and also you can also buy it on the futures market as well. You can always time your buying positions with the limit price. That is the best way to enter into the market, and also very careful on the trading as well. So let's see the Algorand. So Algorand has been showing a huge strong positions in here. So this is a 1 day pattern, so 1 day chart. So we are nearly going up. So I think when we are become more bullish, I think I would see the clear sign breaking above this level, which is around 0.3 level, 0.3, which is 30 cents, as in one Algorand equals with the 30 cents and above. I will be very bullish since then. So until then, we will all observe if it's gonna be really the Ethereum killer or not, and it's gonna be just another third-party altcoins who has like false promises. And I know that they did some kind of big event in Dubai a couple months ago, and I think that is like giving a lot of promise to a lot of people, but I don't believe it. I believe it when I see it. So another thing is the Cardano. ADA is also showing a very simple clear sign of weakness in here, and one of the biggest chains in the crypto market, and we all can see that the Cardano has been a fully decreasing in the market. So the side chains inside the Cardano is very weak, as all can see it. So the Cardano side chains, and there's some applications built on top. There's basically nothing built on top. Still, where's Cardano NFTs? Where's Cardano applications? Where's Cardano wallets? It's just a price. They are just chasing the price. It is just a dead coin. It's just one of those like Dogecoin kind of thing, but it has kind of have a false hopes. I don't want to chase after the false hopes. I think after 1 or 2 years, I don't think Cardano will exist inside the top 10 market cap. So this is also a rising wedge. I think it's going to go down. It's going to go down very clear. I will be watching over this price action clearly. Maybe the 0.32 will arrive at the Cardano price. So let's see the one of the hottest coin on Aptos. Aptos is showing very strong bull price positions. A lot of people were buying Aptos when it was like around $4. But when you were looking at our Telegram and Twitter announcements, in Twitter I announced Aptos is going to be a rock solid bull run within next couple weeks. That was when I announced 1st of January. 1st of January was the time I announced that Aptos will be the promising position that everyone can hope for. But right now, I think everything has its end. there's a bull run has been slowed down a little bit, but still we need to see where it's gonna go down and when it's gonna hold, and in that way we can also take a position another bull run according to that. So this is it. This is the time. This is the place that we can make its bet when the price action will most likely hold its level. If this support level can hold it, then it will most likely to play around this level. Play around this level, play around here, and then it has very, very strong conviction that it might go up. That is the thing. It might go up. So that's why I will place my position. I will place my buy orders, limit orders around this level. This 18.78. That is the level that I will position my trade, and this might be able to very good run. If I think this will go down, I will most likely to hold my position around this level. So which is, we all can see it. We all can see it. We all can see it. This is the price level that I will most likely take its limits position around the 16.4 cents. This is the level. These are the two levels that I will make my setup so that everyone, whoever, if this goes up, I'll be taking my buy position on this level around the 18.81 cents. And if this goes down, if this goes below this support level, I will place my limit sell position around 16.44 cents. This is the thing that everyone should learn, how to make a limit orders, how to make a limit sell and buy orders on futures as well as inside spot markets as well. So these are the TAs, these are the TA markets that I have analyzed for you. These are the blueprints that you can follow for next 24 hours so that you can make money as well. So the Bitcoin price is clearly showing its weak position around this level. So we can see it. The price is going down, and I think a lot of them will pretty much go down as well, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys for the next video. Goodbye.